Understanding happy-go-lucky, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're exploring the colorful and cheerful phrase, happy-go-lucky. This idiom is often used in everyday English to describe a certain type of personality or attitude. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Happy-go-lucky refers to a person who is carefree and optimistic, not overly concerned about the future. Such individuals are often seen as easygoing, not letting stress or worries bother them too much. It's important to understand that this phrase is generally positive and reflects a light-hearted approach to life. The phrase, happy-go-lucky, has been in use since the mid-19th century. Its exact origins are unclear, but it reflects a time when language was evolving with the social changes of the era. Understanding its historical context helps appreciate its usage today. 1. Describing a person. My friend John is really happy-go-lucky. He never seems to get upset about anything. 2. Reflecting an attitude. I'm trying to adopt a more happy-go-lucky attitude towards life. 3. In literature and media, the character in the novel is portrayed as a happy-go-lucky adventurer, always ready for a new challenge. Carefree, easygoing, laid back, untroubled. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but remember, each word might carry a slightly different nuance. In different cultures, the concept of being happy-go-lucky might be perceived differently. It's a term that encapsulates a universally desirable trait but can vary in its importance or desirability across cultures. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, happy-go-lucky. We hope you now feel confident using this idiom in your conversations and understanding it when you hear it. Stay happy, stay carefree, and keep learning. See you in our next video.